Add your light there. Yeah, okay.
Right at the center of the light.
It kind of went into the sand though.
No.
It's around.
This picture, which will probably come out completely black, is our attempt to record luminescent jellyfish that we're seeing in Cape May Beach right now. Using a couple flashlights to light the camera. And of course now nothing.
Josh, you're like a hawk with that flashlight. Get the jelly, get the jelly.
Quiet.
They've been popping up, lighting up brightly. This may be mating season, don't know, but it's pretty darn cool. They're a little camera shy right now. Anybody see any?
Oh no. I'm going to turn the flashlight away for a second. It'll make them easier to find.
No flashlight.
Oh, right there!
Hello, right
I turn the
in
light
To
this
the
area.
right, to the right. Up, up, up.
This might be it.
Turn the light off. Go off now. This is going to be the worst video ever.
Your mom's the worst video ever.
Don't forget to bring a towel.
Thanks.
And as I'm about to give up,
there.
they're pointing at something. Oh, there's the jellyfish.
That's the jelly. And check it again. And because we lost it.
I know it's right there. It's just not glowing or doing anything interesting. It's just sitting there as a gelatinous blob that's going to go and eventually sting one of us, and we're going to say, "What the hell are we doing playing with the?" Okay.
The good news is when you step on them, you're stepping on the top of them, which is the non-stinging part of it.
Christina, like a mile and a half behind everyone else. Finds it amusing, wants to have nothing to do with it.
I march to the beat of my own drum, okay, Adam?
Boom, boom.
You guys want to head back?
Not really.
Yes. Yes.